So thank you for checking out this link. I am so excited to be working on this novel project, but at the same time, I am nervous because beyond hosting events, it's hard to deliver on people's commitments. This project is almost like an orgral thing where you have to expect and count on your partners. Anyways, I am so confident with the people I have here, Ayn and Nathan. You guys are so ready to take on this new challenge. And so let's get right into it. I'm Owen Sanyala, VP for ACADS. So just like the other projects which I have discussed in the other videos, LSS at all, what we propose to do, what we plan to do, has to be understood from some acknowledgement of a workable problem. Okay, a problem that we can work around with. The problem we have here in LSS et al. Is that we have a lack of centralized repository for research, resources, tools, and channels for future thesis students. Okay, now our experienced LSS members and alumni could offer theirs somehow. We can perhaps consolidate all those information which we have collected individually in ourselves and organize them in a platform that can be accessible to our members. And again, the bottom line of this is to improve their academic well-being. Research is one part of them. Our game plan then is to create a consolidated Google Sheets aggregating all relevant information and resources from alumni of LSS to assist future and, by the way, current LSS members in their thesis research and academic writing. So basically, we will have to establish a platform. For people who are watching this, members not necessarily from ACADS, be at ease of the fact that our tasks are in the good hands of our project heads, Nathan and Ayn, good team players who I think are both on their way to the research part of their programs. So they're somehow going to be at stake too with the platform that we're going to produce in this project. So LSS et al. Is a Google Sheets catalog. It's a Google Sheets catalog where the tabs can act as pages. Pages that categorize information from different sources. So here you can see a dashboard. This is perhaps the home page. You could also put an alumni tab, which can house all names, all committed names to the cause, which is LSS et al. Or perhaps resources, tools. Some things kayo nilang mag-usap. Or you can include me in the meeting kung ano yung mga pwede pa natin ilagay. I think I have sent this before, but generally, what we can put inside, I'll just go through a rundown. Number 1, names of LSS alumni members, which means yung mga tao who are committed to helping thesis students. That means na need natin mag-send ng commitment forms. I'll explain later, hopefully. And their emails and corresponding research areas. For example, I'm a biology major. I might have to look for someone in LSS et al. Who have specialized in developmental biology in their undergraduate studies in LaSalle. So that way, I have a direct communication to the people who have come before me. Okay? Ganon. Tapos, from the same LSS alumni members, we can ask for the tips and tricks on methodologies and techniques. So what does this mean? Yung mga RRL, making illustrations, structures, and sa techniques with experimental laboratory techniques, perhaps yung mga individual techniques kasi how to handle equipment, students will greatly benefit from the insights of an experienced researcher. Now, we can also include commonly encountered problems and approaches, inevitable. I think it's going to be helpful if people put it into writing. And speaking of writing, we can also we can also include strategies from the same LSS alumni members on academic writing. Because I think while there is a formal inclusion of this topic, academic writing, in most of our research courses, I don't think it's humanized enough. Sometimes it's just textbook explanation of how you should properly write. Diba? And we can also include poster design strategies, samples, and applications used. Okay, so more on the creative side, how can we possibly make a platform that showcases the creative aspect of research? Tapos, elevator pitch and research pitch advices. So, more on the communication side naman of research. How can we properly pitch or market our topics to certain crowds? Like, for example, what's the difference of pitches to defense mismo? And what are the different contents with the crowd that you are presenting to? Now, we can also talk about grant networks, yung mga connections, opportunities. Sometimes these are competitions that scholars can join to be able to add to their budget in their project implementation, in their thesis. Tapos, you can also add consultation channels, and finally, notable stories and narratives. So, I'm just trying to tickle your imagination on what we can possibly put inside our LSSL platform, but we can add more for sure. So I'm just trying to summarize here what we're going to do here in LSSL with just 3 major steps. Okay, number 1, pitching a viable content. Yung parang ginawa ko kanina. But then, you have to parang formalize what to indicate and what to not. What to include in the platform and what to not. What are viable and ano yung possible pero ano yung viable. So there's a difference between the two. Number 2, resources gathering and network seeking. Ito madugo. Like, ibig sabihin nito, you have to write letters. We have to write letters. And we have to keep on editing our prompts to be able to tap on our alumni members. And finally, we are going to launch, hopefully at the end of the term or at the start of the next term. Does that make sense? Okay, so 3 major steps lang to. You will have to specify those individual tasks in the Gantt charts. So like from creating of pre-acts, submission pre-acts, and so forth, you have to do it in the Gantt charts. Pero I'm just summarizing here what we have to do. So our work to do, number 1, for documentations and logistics, pre-acts. Okay. So this is the first time we're launching such a project, which means that a write-up has to be produced. The rationale, why are we doing this, and how do we plan to do it? Anyways, marami naman ako nasulat in the write-up for this, so just tap on me. Just tap me. Tapos, number 2, commitment forms. Because we are dealing with our networks, our members, alumni, we have to come up with a new document showing a write-up that they are affirming their commitment to the cause, which is LSSL. So anyways, parang ano lang naman yun, parang fill up lang, tapos signature, tapos that's it. So we have to negotiate with the documentations and logistics on what kind of document we want to produce here. So sabi ko, diba lagi may questions? So here are the questions, so that everything that we do now is a culmination for the next. Okay. So these questions hopefully will help you guide you designing the project itself, and also the trouble in trying to make the strategy of actually making it happen. So number 1, what are the research-related difficulties we want to address? So think about, try to list down every research-related inconvenience. And number 2, are these problems real? So you have to filter alin dun sa mga difficulties na yun, yung totoo and possibly relevant. Okay? Okay, number 2, what are our plans? What are our strategies? We have to define our plans from our strategies. Plans is what we have to do. Strategies is what we have to do considering the limitations. Okay, and how do I get the rest of the LSS on board? Number 3, how can we measure the relevance and assistance that this project will provide? So remember that we want here to launch a platform, but it doesn't end there. At the end of the day, we want to make sure that we have provided a platform that can help, and proving that it does help requires some quantitative or qualitative parameters. Those are for you to define. And lastly, do we plan to host an event that launches LSSL? How do we plan to market? So thank you very much, Nathan and Ayn, for tuning in to this video. I hope na meron pa kayong ma-brainstorm on LSSL, because this is something new to the history of academics. We are charting new territories because we're now considering research as an academic issue when for the longest time it should have been from the start. So ayun, thank you so much.